little guy. First fish for the morning. Luckily that was only a little guy. That snag pile would have been ugly. There we go. First fish for the morning. Little fella on the little 65 splash prawn. Just decided a little splash prawn today, just to get it started. Just because it's supernatural, it's small. Let's see if they're on the chew, and then we've got some other lures to throw around too. So, but anyway, that's a donut saver straight up. Oh, there we go. First little guy for the morning. Only a teeny tiny tacker, but it's a start. Oh, get him back in, and hopefully we get a few more. Ooh, it's good to be back, man. I haven't done this in so long. See you, my man. Thanks for the bite, brother. Yes, feels good. Feels good to be back. There's bound to be one in there. I reckon there's more in there. Oh, that's a better fish. Oh, how good was that? There's bound to be one there, right on the edge of those rocks there. That's a much better fish. Much better. That was awesome. What a bite. That's so cool. Nice respectable size. Jeez, he's going pretty hard. Yeah. A little bit better. A little bit better. Number 3. Nice. Probably 35, 36. Give you guys a quick look and we'll get back in there. There's always going to be one in there. Jeez. Oh, there he is. First decent one for the morning. Lovely. Nice mid-30s there. Absolutely smashing that MMD little splash prawn off that little rock bar there. That was such a good eat. That's why we bass fish, baby. Anyway, we'll get this guy back in. Fantastic condition. No sores. That's the perfect fish right there. And we'll see if we can get a few more. Let's go, baby. Whew. Like that. Oh, I've got him. Oh my god. How quick is that guy? He's not even big. What? Oh. Number 4. Oh, this guy's got a bit of grossness on his fin. There he is. Another tiny tacker. See you later, bud. Paradise though, mate. Look at this. Paradise. What was that? Oh my god. Oh my goodness, are you kidding? Oh, that was the worst cast in history. Oh, you're joking me. You are absolutely joking. Number 5, guys. That was funny as I cast into that bank and it was a terrible cast. So I wanted to fish in here. So I decided to bring it back real quick and he ate it. Oh, he just got me too. One for me, one for you. Anyway, number 5. He's a healthy looking guy. They're a pretty fish. I love this like kind of bluey aqua colour up there near their fins. Bit of green. Very pretty fish. Look at him. Frothing. Oh, thanks, mate. Oh, he got me a good one, man. Oh, it's going to sting for a little while now. What a funny eat. Wow. Shows you how good these lures are, eh? Don't even have to work them and they still catch fish. Just going to straighten these assist hooks. So yeah, I just run assist hooks with these as well, guys. So keep the middle treble and then yeah, just run the little ZX assist hooks there. Just helps with a few of the short bites and stuff. If they're short striking at your lure, I tend to suck those assist hooks on and yeah, tend to get a few more fish. Oh, that was a terrible cast. Still got one. As soon as it landed. Wow. Oh. Where's he off to? Second best one for the day. That was insane. That was a terrible cast. Oh, he's hooked by one assist hook. Wow. Oh no, I've got him on the top of the head too. There he is. Nice. Oh, didn't do that very good. Forgot the bail arm. Oh, this is how you break rods. Well, a bit of a unorthodox hook up there, but anyway. Number 6, baby. There he is. Number 6 for the session. He's not too bad. Probably 30, 31, something like that. As soon as he hit the water, it was a terrible cast, but yeah, got him. Cool. Well, thanks for the bite, man. Sweet. What's going on with these terrible casts and catching fish? That's 2 this session. Just found this awesome little python up here on the bank, so we'll get the GoPro nice and close to him and have a little bit of a closer look. He's awesome, man. Very cool. Alright, let's get over there. Oh, that's at double digits and that's a decent fish. Oh, yes, that's a good fish. Double digits. Finally broke the curse. Oh, my net. Oh, we haven't got him yet. This net's stuck. What's going on? Oh, that's our biggest fish for the session too on number 10. Is that our 40? I did call it. Oh, yes. That's a 40. That's a good bass, man. That's like 42 or something. Yes, man. That's a thick boy. That's what we're here for. Oh, I got to that number 9 fish and I'm like, it just went dead. I just fished some of the most, look at this water. This is the best water I've seen in this whole creek and it just went completely dead. Until this guy came along. Number 10, baby. Well, we've caught a couple more, but we'll call that 10 because that's a decent fish, that one. That's a good one. Let's go, baby. Ooh, well, here she is. 42 she went. Absolute cracker of a little skinny creek bass. Awesome fish. Super stoked with that one. Pretty good condition too. A little bit of red spot on his tail there, but besides that, that is a cracking bass. That was awesome. Double digits, and we got our 40, baby. 42. Anyway, we'll get this girl back in, and we'll keep on venturing up. It's so nice, man. This area is pristine. Feels so good to be back. I feel so humble and grateful right now. It's so good. Look at that thing. Woohoo! Beautiful bass. Let's get into her. Oh, what? What just happened? That's not a bad fish either. Well, the bigger fish are coming out to play now. Oh no, he's not that big. I'll take him though. Wow, that was really weird. Slurped it onto the water. He's not bad though. Big bloody 36, 37. How good is that? Number 11. Oh, there's another fish. That'd be, yeah, mid-30s, I reckon. As soon as that landed, it must have just eaten it under the surface and bam. That's awesome, man. See you later, little man. Thanks for the bite. How good. Alright guys, well that's going to be me. I've been on the kayak for just over 10 hours now. Isn't that insane? But overall, had an awesome session. Yeah, I just kept going all the way up and just kept catching fish. So just kept adventuring. It's been an awesome little day. Absolutely loved every second of it. Try not to die here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Like, share, subscribe, all that juicy stuff, baby. Feels good to be back. I'm stoked with that session. That was awesome. Heaps of little fish, but hey, they're still good fun. And a couple of decent ones in there too. That 42 was nice, and a couple of mid-30s. So yeah, good bit of fun. Can't complain. It's super, super windy. So yeah, it's nice to tuck up in these little creeks and get out of it. So anyway, I've probably got about 1 kilometre left. Not far. I'm done fishing. I don't think my arms could do any more. But yeah, I'm not going to complain. Until next episode, be safe, make sure you guys rip some lips, and catch you guys on the next one. Yo!